Hello, esteemed viewers. Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your one-stop channel for insightful investment strategies. We are here to guide you through the labyrinth of investment decisions with clarity and foresight. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a technology that's been making waves in the investment world, robo-advisors. These digital platforms use complex algorithms to manage your investment portfolio, providing a seamless and effective way to invest. They're like your personal finance managers, only they're driven by artificial intelligence, and they work round the clock. Robo-advisors are revolutionizing the way we think about and handle our investments, bringing in efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and simplicity to the process. Today's discourse will shed light on the manifold benefits of robo-advisors in investment management. We're talking efficiency, accessibility, customization, and diversification. So buckle up for an enlightening journey through this futuristic approach to managing your wealth. So without further ado, let's delve into the numerous benefits of robo-advisors in investment management. First off, robo-advisors are efficient and cost-effective. But what does this mean exactly? Let's break it down. In the world of investments, efficiency is king. Robo-advisors bring this to the table by using algorithms to manage investments. Now, you might wonder, what's so special about algorithms? Well, these are not your average run-of-the-mill calculations. These are sophisticated mathematical models developed by financial experts, fine-tuned to analyze market trends and make investment decisions. The beauty of it all is that these algorithms work around the clock, never tiring, never taking a break. This means your money is constantly being managed, optimized, and reallocated as necessary, saving you precious time and reducing the possibility of human error. On to cost effectiveness. Traditional investment advisors typically charge a percentage of the assets they manage for you, and this can range anywhere from 1% to 3%. Doesn't sound like much? Let's put it into perspective. If you have a portfolio worth $500,000, a 2% fee equates to a whopping $10,000 per year. That's a significant chunk of your potential earnings gone just like that. Enter robo-advisors. Their automated nature allows them to operate at a fraction of the cost of human advisors. Many robo-advisors charge less than 1% in fees, and some even offer fee-free options for smaller portfolios. This means you get to keep a larger share of your investment earnings, which can significantly boost your overall returns in the long run. But it's not just about the cost savings, it's about the value you get for your money. With a robo-advisor, you're getting a sophisticated, efficient, and tireless investment manager that is constantly working to grow your wealth. And all this comes without the hefty price tag associated with traditional investment advisors. Thus, with robo-advisors, you get efficient and pocket-friendly investment management. Another key benefit of robo-advisors is their accessibility and ease of use. Now, let's delve into what that truly means. Imagine having a financial advisor at your disposal round the clock every day of the year. That's exactly what robo-advisors offer. They're always ready to serve, regardless of the time zone you're in or the holiday calendar you follow. This level of accessibility is unprecedented in traditional investment management, and it's all thanks to the power of technology. Another advantage of robo-advisors is that they're available to anyone with internet access. Whether you're in the heart of a bustling city or in a remote corner of the world, as long as there's an internet connection, you can tap into the world of robo-advisors. This opens up the door to investment management for countless individuals who previously had limited or no access to such services. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. One might think that with the use of complex algorithms and high-tech interfaces, robo-advisors would be intimidating or difficult to navigate, but that's far from the truth. Robo-advisors are designed with user-friendly interfaces that make them easy to use, even for novice investors. These platforms typically guide users through a simple questionnaire to understand their financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Based on this information, the robo-advisor then creates and manages a personalized portfolio. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the need for appointments or paperwork. Moreover, most robo-advisors offer educational resources within their platforms. These resources are designed to help users understand the fundamentals of investing, the importance of diversification, and how to manage risk. This empowers users to make informed decisions about their investments and to better understand their financial journey. In other words, robo-advisors make investment management convenient and straightforward. They eliminate the barriers of time, location, and expertise, making the world of investment management accessible to all. Let's now look at how robo-advisors offer customization and diversification. Robo-advisors are not one-size-fits-all. In fact, they're quite the opposite. They offer a unique approach to investment, providing personalized strategies that are designed to meet your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. When you first sign up for a robo-advisor, you'll be asked a series of questions about your financial situation, your goals, and your comfort level with risk. The answers to these questions are then used to create a customized investment strategy just for you, but that's not all. Robo-advisors also offer the possibility to diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key strategy in managing investment risk. By spreading your investments across a wide variety of assets, you can reduce the potential for loss. In other words, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Robo-advisors utilize algorithms and advanced technology to automatically diversify your investments. They can spread your money across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more, and even across different geographic regions. This ensures that your portfolio is not overly dependent on the performance of a single asset or a single economy. Moreover, robo-advisors can adjust your investment strategy over time. As your financial situation, goals, or risk tolerance change, so can your investment strategy. This dynamic and adaptable approach ensures that your investment plan remains in line with your evolving needs. In addition, robo-advisors can rebalance your portfolio as needed. Rebalancing is the process of adjusting your portfolio to maintain your desired level of risk and return. If one type of asset performs particularly well and starts to dominate your portfolio, a robo-advisor can sell some of it and buy more of other types to restore balance. Therefore, robo-advisors offer tailored and diversified investment strategies. They provide a flexible and dynamic approach to investing, which can help you achieve your financial goals while managing risk effectively. To summarize, let's revisit the benefits of robo-advisors we've discussed today. In an era where time is a luxury, efficiency has become a sought-after commodity. Robo-advisors offer this coveted efficiency, automating the process of managing investments. They carry out complex algorithms swiftly, accurately, and tirelessly. Whether it's rebalancing portfolios or conducting tax loss harvesting, robo-advisors perform these tasks with a precision that is hard for humans to match. But it's not just about efficiency. Robo-advisors are also cost-effective. They eliminate the need for expensive human advisors, making investment management more affordable. With lower fees, investors can keep more of their hard-earned money, accelerating their journey towards financial goals. Next, we talked about accessibility and ease of use. Robo-advisors have democratized investment management, enabling anyone with an internet connection to invest. No longer confined to business hours or physical locations, investment management is now at your fingertips, available round the clock. The user-friendly interfaces of robo-advisors make navigating the complex world of investments simpler even for novice investors. Customization and diversification are other crucial benefits. Robo-advisors can tailor portfolios to individual investors' risk tolerance and financial goals. They can diversify investments across a wide range of asset classes, reducing risk and enhancing potential returns. Moreover, these benefits aren't exclusive. They intertwine, creating a synergy that amplifies their individual advantages. The efficiency of robo-advisors makes them cost-effective. Their accessibility enhances their customization capabilities, and their ability to diversify investments contributes to their overall efficiency. In essence, robo-advisors bring together the best of technology and investment management. They offer a seamless, cost-effective, and personalized investment experience that's accessible to all. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, robo-advisors can add value to your investment journey. With these benefits in mind, it's clear why robo-advisors are revolutionizing investment management. In conclusion, robo-advisors offer a modern, effective, and user-friendly approach to investment management. They've revolutionized the game by providing efficiency and cost-effectiveness that's hard to match. They're accessible round the clock, offering convenience at your fingertips. Plus, the customization and diversification they provide are second to none, ensuring your portfolio aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the world of investment is evolving rapidly, and it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. Robo-advisors are not just a trend, they're becoming a significant part of smart investment strategies. They're the future of investment management, offering benefits that traditional methods simply can't compete with. Our channel, HouseLux Estate, is committed to bringing you the latest insights and strategies in investment management. We're here to help you navigate this exciting world and make the most of your investments. Thank you for watching HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful investment strategies. Happy investing!